If you've been using Prezi's AI features and want to see where your credits went, this video will walk you through the exact steps to check your AI usage history inside Prezi. This is really useful if you want to keep track of how many credits you've used, review your activity, or simply understand how Prezi is applying your AI balance. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, log into your Prezi account and go to the Prezi Dashboard. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top panel of the screen. You should see a credits icon there. This is the place where Prezi keeps track of your available AI credits and related usage information. Go ahead and click on that credits icon. When you do, a pop-up window will appear on the screen. This pop-up contains details about your credits and usage. Now, look down inside that pop-up until you find the section labeled AI Usage History. This is the area you need if you want to see how your credits have been used. Next to AI Usage History, you'll see an arrow icon. Click that arrow icon to expand the drop-down. Once the drop-down opens, Prezi will show you where all of your AI credits have been used. You can review the usage history and see the activity connected to your account. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can check your AI usage history in Prezi and keep track of your credits without any confusion. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.